Alright, this is a camera inspection of 2717 Drew Avenue. I'm going to be inspecting the sewer main. So right here at 12 o'clock you can see that there is a break in the pipe. This is allowing gravel and debris, including a rock that we think we found a rock in the line, and we think that the rock came from right here. The pipe just collapsed on the top and broke in. I do not know what caused that, but this is where the first problem is. As you can see, about every 3 feet where there's a connection, there's a slight breakage or a separation in the connections. This is allowing roots to grow in. This was the first connection that we had cleaned out. Alright, so this is where the initial root blockage was that we could not get through. As you can see, we cleaned that out all the way. But right here on the bottom of the screen, kind of from 6 o'clock up to 9 or 10 o'clock, you can see that there's gravel inside that connection, and then there's gravel along the bottom of the pipe, which is at about 7 o'clock. All this gravel is probably coming in from this connection right here, or that break in the pipe back at 7 feet. This is where the first root problem was. As you can see, there's still just a couple of roots hanging from the top, but those are fine. And now you can see, as we push through, we're picking up debris and dirt, and that is preventing water from flowing through the pipe. So there's just a small amount of water, less than an inch in the pipe right here. Going through, this is the last connection that we cleaned out. There was a root blockage that was blocking about 50%, 40 to 50% of the pipe, and that's what's left of that. And then here's the main. If you can see, actually, the rock that we were talking about is in the video. It's down there in the main. I'd pushed it through with the camera after I'd finished cleaning it. But you can see the rock. It's in the bottom, at about 6 o'clock on the screen, between 5 and 6. That's right where that rock. That was the rock that was in the line. Alright, so that's the sewer line. That was the main problems we had. Backing out, you can just look at, I'll reiterate some of the main points. There was another rock, actually. And like I said, these rocks probably came from that first connection, or that first break in the pipe, where the top of the pipe had broken off. There's another pebble. So that really is a serious problem. It has to be fixed at some point. All this gravel is going to prevent the water from draining through. Also, it's a good idea to keep an eye on how far these connections are separated. You see, roots are going to be able to grow through those pretty easily. Maintenance on the line is going to be key if a repair is not done. But I do recommend a repair of this line. Alright, so that's the line today. This was Joe from JMJ Sewer Services, and good luck with everything in the future with this line. But that was all the problems that we found. Thank you.